everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency on eBay app. If you want to view prices in different currency while browsing on the eBay app, you can change your location. So simply to get started, firstly open your eBay app on a device. And next is you need to go to your profile icon. You need to simply select My eBay in the bottom. And from here you need to scroll a bit down until you find the setting and select the setting here. And from the setting, you can find there's an icon for this country or region under the general. You need to select this. And over here, you need to select the country or region so that you can change the currency. You can simply select one of the country that you prefer in order to change it. And you can go back to the home screen and you can simply open any of the product that you prefer. And after that, once you open the product, you will find the changed currency on the eBay. And that is it. That is how I can change currency on eBay app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.